Camcorders let you record precious moments in great detail without any added bulk to your backpack. These are the best ones out there. Sony's FDR X3000 action camera is at number 6. The ultra-wide-angle lens helps with expansive landscapes, and the included underwater housing is watertight to 197 feet. By using the XAVC-S codec, the camera can record 4K at 30p or 24p with bit rates of 100 megabytes a second or 60 megabytes a second. Sony's proprietary balanced optical steady shot moves the lens itself to compensate for excess vibration in a shot, reducing motion artifacts and enabling smoother, sharper videos. You can also connect remotely with up to 5 action cams from a single mobile device using the Play Memories app. The 5th placed Canon XC10 4K camcorder has a compact, lightweight design that can shoot 4K Full HD videos at 12 megapixel stills. Its 4K imaging system is purpose-built of proprietary components, like a genuine Canon 10x wide-angle zoom lens with 2x digital teleconverter and optical image stabilization. The lens offers a zoom ratio of 27.3 to 273mm for movies and 24.1 to 241mm for photos. The specially designed 12-megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor can help deliver 12 stops of exposure latitude. The inclusion of the new Digic DV5 signal processor provides the image processing power and speed to deliver high video quality and performance. The Sony FDR X53 that takes 4th place. It combines a Zeiss 20x optical zoom lens and a high-sensitivity image sensor to produce stunning UHD 4K videos. The Exmor R CMOS sensor can capture 4K at 24 or 30 frames per second using XAVC-S codec and features larger pixels for enhanced performance in low-light scenarios. Other features include an improved autofocus speed, Sony's balanced optical steady shot image stabilization, a lower noise built-in microphone, and a high-speed 1080p 120 frames per second recording mode to create high-resolution slow-motion content. There is a 3.0-inch extra-fine LCD touchscreen display for quick monitoring. All the info about the products and links to buy the featured items can be found in the video description below. The GoPro Hero 5 is a rugged device that can capture action footages better than almost any other camcorder and is at number 3. It can record 4K videos and 12-megapixel photos anywhere, be it on water, air, or ground. The sealed rubberized chassis allows it to be taken to depths of 33 feet without an external housing. You can use the touchscreen to play back and even edit your footage right on the camera, while the front screen and the top and side buttons offer a one-button control experience. Hands-free control is present thanks to the built-in voice control feature. For professionals, it can also capture raw images in the GPR format. The 2nd place goes to the Panasonic HC WX F991K 4K Ultra HD camcorder. It features wireless multi-camera functionality and up to 2 picture-in-picture video feeds using Wi-Fi connected mobile devices or the secondary camera built into the flip-out LCD screen. Its 1/2.3-inch backside illuminated BSI MOS sensor has an 8.29 megapixel resolution that works with a Crystal Engine 4K image processor to support 4K UHD video at 24 to 30 frames per second and 1080p video up to 60 frames per second. It utilizes a Leica Dicomar lens that provides a 20x optical zoom range. Intelligent Zoom boosts that range up to 40 times for Full HD and 25 times for 4K recording. The best camcorder in the business is the Sony FDR X100. Its 1-inch Exmor R CMOS sensor is 8 times larger than that of the competition and allows you to capture cinematic images with shallow depth of field. The camcorder uses a wide-angle Zeiss Vario Sonar T lens with 12 times optical zoom plus 24 times clear image digital zoom. The use of optical steady shot image stabilization with active mode and 3-way shake cancelling adds electronic roll stability for smoother results. You can frame your shots using either the large 3.5-inch extra-fine LCD touchscreen or with the high-contrast 0.39-inch OLED EVF for added flexibility. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel to show us some love and motivate us to make more videos in the future.